Henry McClure live down here at the Glass Houses studio. 3625 Southwest 29th Street. I've got 1,084 square feet I need to rent on behalf of the Ryan Mowinkle real estate empire. So if you're driving down 29th Street, if you're eastbound and down, this is your view. Check it out. Sometimes I lose internet here, so. All right, see, I lost internet. Okay, check it out. See my sign? I'm delighted to give up some of my signage to the new tenant that wants to rent space here. I don't need all this signage today. The tenant that was in there didn't need signage whatsoever, and I don't need so much signage. So let's make a deal. If you need the frontage and you need the traffic, it doesn't get better than this. Gage and 29 down yonder. You got Scooters, Walgreens, and my favorite place is Dialog Coffee. 1,086 feet. Great signage. Great tenants. Man, I'm telling you what, the quality of tenants that we've got here at the State Farm building, oh my. You've got some therapists. If my show has thrown you into therapy, we got you covered. Anyway, I don't have the best coverage out here for the internet. I keep popping on and off. So I'd like to get this leased up on behalf of Ryan. He's a good landlord, pays the utilities, takes care of the building, loves it. You're not going to meet a nicer guy than Ryan Mowinkle. He thinks he can tell stories pretty good, but I don't know. We'll have to get him on the show again. So I'm live. I think Jim Klossman owns that building. He takes good care of it. I think you need to talk to Mike Morris about the leasing. I think he's his real estate guy. You know, that Go Topeka, the chamber connection that I don't have. But Mike Morris sucks up to that deal. But that's a great building. Henry McClure live here in Topeka, Kansas. Watching all this winning done by Trump. Man, it's just, it's wild what's going on. It's funny. How can you be not for a smaller government and less corruption, less waste, fraud, and abuse? But apparently, there's some people that make a living off that. And thank God for Donald J. Trump. And I want to wish him all the luck. Everybody ought to be supporting our president. There was a Congress lady saying she's rooting for Mexico. She's rooting for Canada. Well, that's your right as an American, but I don't want you in Congress. All right, I'm live. Henry McClure live at the Glass Houses studio. Do you know that vacancy I've been talking about? It is just around the corner. Right there. Plenty of parking. Look at that. We're talking signage. I'll bet you I could get some signage. This baby's lit up like a Roman candle at night. I'm live. Hey, if nobody's told you they love you today, I love y'all. Thanks for tuning in.